Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to speed up your computer and adjust it for best performance. First go to Start, then type in Control Panel, click System and Security. Then Power Options. Here, you can choose between Balanced, Power Save and High Performance mode. If you want your computer to perform faster, then choose High Performance mode, but know that this will drain more battery if you have a laptop or it will consume more energy if you have PC. Now, go to Settings and choose System. Click Notifications and Actions. Here, you can disable notifications that comes from various apps, or you can just select a few to disable. It would be better that you choose some applications you don't want to get notifications from, and disable them, rather than disabling notifications from all apps. Now, choose Apps. Click on Startup. Here, you can disable some of the programs that boot up with your PC, resulting in slower performance. One important thing is not to turn off your antivirus program from the startup. As you can see, I left my AVG component turned on. Now, go to the Apps and Features. And here you can uninstall some unused or unwanted programs from your PC. Now, go to Privacy. And select Background Apps. Here you can choose which apps can run in the background. So again, it would be smart to disable some of them, not all. Now, go to System. And click Storage. Here, you can delete some temporary files from your disk to gain more space and to give your computer, consequently, more speed. Click on Remove Files. Right-click on this PC. Select Properties. Go to the Advanced System Settings. Make sure you're on the Advanced tab and click on Settings under the Performance section. Here, click Adjust for best performance. Hit Apply, then OK. The next smart thing would be to scan your PC for viruses. Now, it depends on which antivirus program you have, but most of them are similar. So when you open up your antivirus, click on Scan or run a deep scan or whatever your option to scan your computer is. So for all of you who have AVG antivirus, click on these three dots and select Deep Scan. And now the AVG will scan your computer more detailed for viruses. You can also click Run Smart Scan. This type of scan is shorter, but if you don't have time, or you can't leave your PC on for too long, this is the right thing to do. The last thing requires you to install program called CCleaner. When you open CCleaner, go to Custom Clean and select Analyze. All your internet browsers need to be closed. When CCleaner analyzes your PC, click on Run Cleaner. When the cleaning is complete, go to the Registry tab and select Scan for issues. Then click on Review selected issues. Finally, click on Fix all selected issues. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial and that was helpful to you. Like and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.